Pinili ko mag-homeschool kasi una, sunod-sunod yung mga anak ko. Okay? Parang 2-year gap sila.
After my last homeschooling content videos po, ang dami niyo pang questions. And honestly, gusto ko rin malaman yung iba kasi we're just starting in this homeschool thing. So I asked my friend Avon, who is a homeschooling mom and also a homeschooling teacher, if she could answer some of her questions.
Meet Avon! Hi everyone! I'm Avon. Like what Andrew said, I'm a homeschool mom of 3 and I also homeschool other students from different homeschool providers.
Okay, before answering those questions, personally, ikaw, ano reason mo why did you choose to homeschool?
Hindi ito masyadong common na answer, especially sa mga first time na mag-homeschool. Kasi ang common na naririnig ko ba't nila gusto mag-homeschool is because syempre they want to yung protect yung values ng bata, ng family nila. Yun yung common, especially for Christians. Pero ako, pinili ko mag-homeschool kasi una, sunod-sunod yung mga anak ko. Okay? Parang 2-year gap sila. And then, may time na hirap kami kumuha ng help. So, I cannot imagine myself bringing one child sa preschool, pero 3 yung dala ko, di ba?
Oh.
Tapos, it's not for me yung everyday, gigisingin mo yung anak mo. Nagmamadali, iiyak kasi ayaw gumising. So, I think that's for me. I think I would rather homeschool my child than to go through those things every day. Dahil teacher din naman ako, sabi ko, so why not homeschool them? So I've seen a lot of curriculum or approach sa school. So sinabi ko sa sarili ko, especially after the pandemic, na I don't want my child to go through those. Yung parang after school, kailangan ulit nila mag-aaral for homework, for review. Okay, I'm not saying homeschooling is the best way to go for your family or for our family. Yun yung nakita ko na best route for us, na lahat parang win-win for us. Yung lifestyle namin, yung budget namin, and also yung mga gusto kong itulong sa mga anak ko.